Hello, everybody. This is Chris from Chris Design Co. Welcome to 2026. I first want to thank you for a wonderful year, 2025. I've appreciated every single customer and I've enjoyed making many, many custom models for people and seeing how wonderful their carves go. And I also love to help people becoming successful with their CNC hobby slash business. So again, thank you again and welcome to 2026. We have a few new things on the website. The first one is going to be a membership area. There will be two levels. One will be a lifetime membership and one will be a yearly membership. The other thing is I have now a link on my website for someone who wants a custom model. They can go to my website, they can download pictures, they can give a description of what they're looking for, and there's some guidelines of how I do things. So there's no questions. You know everything up front. So please take a look at my website and go to custom model section, and you can either send a message or you can just read through it. The third thing I'm doing is I'm going to be offering lessons with Vectric. And you can go to the site and you can see the criteria, you can see the layout, what I do, how it's done, the cost, and everything like that. If you're interested, you can sign up or you can message me and we can talk more. But those are the things that have changed to the website. First is the membership area with two levels. One is lifetime and one is yearly. The other is one-on-one coaching sessions, and the other one is custom models section. So have a wonderful new year, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you and have a wonderful day.